What is up? Thursday afternoon. We out here in the shop. Going to play with the red car. Now I'm going to put the shift linkage on. And the shifter is here. Yesterday we got the steering column and stuff put back together. So today we're gonna add the shifter. Finish bolting up all those plastics down there. We're gonna get on the old internet. Get us a ride wire harness coming, and probably going to go ahead and delete that fuel filter up there and do a straight inline. I want to get rid of this thing because it's ugly, but the mounts are in. We got some things running for our gauges. I got to bolt the wheel wood up to the pedal and run my lines from there down. And the clutch master, I gotta order a line for that. But for the most part, we are almost there. We go get a high comp B20 from JD Alliance, and hopefully, fingers crossed, my buddy Solo has a LS transmission. Hopefully I'm going to go grab that, and then maybe on my brake fluid, like I say, stick this thing in here and see what she does. Maybe get some fire to her. But for today, we are going to put the linkage on. Come on, ride with us. Come on, guys. I'll bring you with me. Hope everybody having a good day. 'Cause I know we are. What's up, Oliver? Tell him what's up. Where's the other one? On there. That's that. Steering column's back in. Shifter is in. Bolting plastics up. Tie these two guys up for the moment until we get ready to put our engine in. Not too bad for an afternoon, huh? So far, so good. EK coming along. Look at this baby just resting over here, though. Got some plans for you, little buddy. Don't you worry. Pride and joy. Right hand drive, 95 Acura Integra. Don't tell nobody though. Custom speaker box, handmade. My boy Mr. Russell Penny. Got all our magazines from Stance Auto laid out. This is my weekend warrior right here. Shout out to them guys. 742. The other Pete's, Pistol Pete's Racing Liquids. As always, index tool, Falcon tire, and So Creation 365. The RP Designs, that awesome paintwork. Look, you can see us in there. Hashtag TDK built. Trunk setup, air ride, paint all in the jams. Next upgrade, right there. One of the next upgrades. Look at that color swap though. Yeah. Like I say, it's my weekend warrior right here. It's my pride and joy. But that was our mission for the red car today, was to get the clutch set up. I mean the shift linkage on. And we did that. Steering column is set and squared away. All that's in. Get our old jack aired up and get these stands back out from under here. Find me a little bungee cord to hang the brake rounds up with. Oh, I got one somewhere. I thought I did anyway. Maybe I'm using one. Oh, I know where they're at. They're in the tent in the house because we use them all with the car show stuff. So I'll have to go get one. But guys, I hope I don't bore y'all to death. I hope I give y'all a reason to keep watching me do my thing out here. I think that's about it for today though. Shift linkage mounted and ready. Red car's ready to rock and roll, almost. Minus a couple of little things. Shift linkage is in. Everything in there is almost 100%. I've got a couple of small things to go. I still have to find these guys. And right now these are manual door panels, but I have found some electric ones that I can use. I just have to go pick them up. And I need to color some seats back there because I have a black one and some gray ones. Now these kind of actually hard to come by. I've been looking, but I haven't had the best luck yet. So I'll probably just have these redone. Get them all black. Match my old Sparkitos here. I actually have the Sparko harnesses in a bag back here too. They're just, oh, they're actually right back there in the on the trunk hole. I'm gonna pull this guy down. All this coming out. Put some black suede over that. Make it look better. And that's how I'm gonna do. All black interior. Outside. After I get the engine running and get her fired up, we're gonna start on all the body work. Now, question for y'all. Keep the same color? Nah. I'm thinking red. Keep my trims black all the way around. It's got the JDM molding, so keep the black trims, but all back red, all black interior, all back red, like that, and then black accents, black valve cover. I think it'll look all right. We're gonna see though. We're gonna keep this one simple. Haha. Y'all know me. We're gonna keep it simple. Until next time. Y'all like following? I don't bore you too much. Drop me a like and a follow. And a subscribe. Y'all have a good night.